Hey guys, it's Little Wesley Calgary, and today we're back in another vlog. Tyler. Yes, she's a vlogger. And today we're at the airport. We're going to Hawaii, and yeah.
It's like a mall in here.
So our whole family is wearing matching shoes. She says, "Help me! I'm on a family vacation." Yeah, pretty neat. But we're about to board. Well, actually, no. It's like an hour and 30 minutes till we board. We board at 10, right?
9:30.
So yeah, we have an hour till we board. So see you guys when we do something. Okay guys, so we've been waiting here for a few. It's 9:15. We have 15 more minutes till we board, and we board at 9:30. So I'm like really excited. My bun's done. We have our shirts, and yeah. So I'll see you guys when we board. Hey guys, so it's 9:29 now. So either board in one more minute or we board at 10:15. I don't know. I'm confused. I'm gonna go ask them real quick. And yeah. Okay guys.
Oh, good. Here we are.
So we are on the plane right now.
Hello.
That's my grandma. We are on the plane right now, and we're supposed to be boarding at 10:15, but we came earlier, so it's only 10 o'clock. And yeah, there's Skylar. Okay guys, so the plane is moving. So we're in the position about to take off. I'm so excited. We don't have window seats, but I can see it from here, but you guys don't because I've already tried on my camera. It don't work. It's like too sunny. But you guys will get our reaction of taking off. Lily, you ready to take off? Your first time flying? She's been on planes like 20 times.
More than that.
More than that. This is her first time. This is my fourth time. So, yeah. Grandma, how many times have you been on a plane?
I don't know. Can't count.
I've been on a plane. You can't count.
She's been on a plane like more than 20 times. Maybe like 25. Not like that. But Honolulu, here we come. I'm going to get our reaction of us taking off on here.
Oh, okay, get down. Why am I in this? I want to be in this.
Chrissy, when you have a granddaughter like this, you're going to be in all the
Okay.
vlogs. Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, we're turning. We're going. Lila, we're going. Cool.
No, we're not going yet. It goes faster than this.
I know. We're taking off. I'll see you guys when we start going faster. Oh, and guys, I got my nails done. They're acrylics. They're not that long, so I wasn't allowed to get them that long. But they're cute. They're just blue with sparkle. Pretty plain, but who cares? And then these are my... Yes, I got these at Walmart. Don't make fun of me. Ooh, here we go. We're going faster. Almost there. I'm just kidding. We're going a little bit faster, y'all. Okay, he just said, flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff. So we're taking off right now. Honey, yes. Okay, we just stopped by the runway. Stopping right here. Because we're going to go faster right now. And we're going to take off. So, yay. My fourth time on a plane. Okay guys, we're on the runway. Oh wait, no, we have to turn real quick. Oh no, we don't. Okay. Get ready for takeoff. Yeah, ready? Here we go, yo. We're on the runway, guys. Hey guys, we're going up the runway. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try and get the window view. Well, I can't get a window view, so you guys can't see it, but if you've been on a plane, you know when you take off. Okay guys, so I just noticed that you have to like go up the runway and then you turn back around and then you go straight out and then you go up. So that's what we're doing. We're turning. We are turning right now and we are ready to take off. So I will tell you guys when we take off because, I mean, duh. Okay guys, so we stopped for like 10 minutes maybe. And now we're moving again. We're turning around. We're going. We're going, baby. Okay, we just turned.
Still like
And now we're on the runway.
just technically maybe 11 o'clock.
Okay, guys, we're running really fast. We're going super fast, like super fast.
We need to watch your face.
I mean, they can't really see out the.
Watch her face though.
Layla. My ears are getting clogged. She go.
We're going fast.
We're in the air, guys. We're in the air. Ears. Okay, we're good. We are in the air. Guys, we're in the air. This is so cool. Okay guys, so we're in the air now and I'll see you guys later. We've been in the air for like 5 minutes now. Something like that. I don't know, but I got funny so. Hey guys, so we've been on the plane for about an hour now and I am watching Pitch Perfect 3.
Start happening. But he was really kind of upset just to be still far. Tell Jess that's what happened last night.
Well, I am 3 minutes into the movie and I've watched it before. It's very funny, but I just decided to watch it again. It's really funny. They're watching Jumanji.
Right, you're right.
They're watching Jumanji, so yeah. See you guys when we're almost about to land. Okay guys, so while we were watching the movie, I got this sandwich. You guys are on the table right now. I'll show you. Oh gosh. So I'm watching the movie and I got this hot. It's actually really warm. It's
Mom, did you- Mom.
roast beef and chicken. Roast beef and cheddar sandwich with Hawaiian crisp.
Yeah, she ordered you one.
Yeah. So yeah. 59 minutes and 17 seconds into Pitch Perfect 3. It's actually a really good movie. It's like the 4th time I'm watching it. And my sister's watching Jumanji. That's also a really good movie. That's her 4th time watching it. I watched it 3 times. But yeah, I just want to keep you guys updated. And we are about to land in about 3 hours. So that's a long time. So I'll see you guys when we land or if something else happens. Done finishing up my movie, and since I paid for that one movie, I can only watch that one movie, so kind of stupid. Oh my god, I have like major hiccups right now. I have like major hiccups right now. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. Oh my gosh, hear this, ready? When I hiccup, it like squeaks. It's not day anymore, but they're still watching Jumanji because I started my movie before them, and they paused the movie like way more. So my parents are in, and then my cousin's parents are in front of her, and my grandma. She's sleeping, but we have about 2 hours and 40 minutes until we land. So that's pretty good. We're right in the middle. Sandy. This is San Diego. That stands for San Diego. tired right now and just ready to get off. So I'll see you guys when we get off. So I have decided to watch Pitch Perfect 3 again because I'm bored and I don't want to be on my phone too long.
Do you have to pay for it again?
No. If you already paid for it, you don't have to pay for it again. So I'm just watching it again, and this will probably, once this movie's over, will probably be like 2:30, something like that. So we'll be landing in about 2 hours and 30 minutes, I think. No, 2 hours. Yeah, see you guys when we land for sure this time. Hey guys, so now I'm over watching 2 movies. Actually, I watched half of it, so it's still 6. I thought that I should just play on my phone and listen to some. So today I'm listening to country music, Kenny Chesney. So see you guys when we land this time. For sure. Okay, bye. Did you hear that, guys?
Skylar?
We are descending right now, which means we are going down.
Yes, Grandma?
Just turned on the fasten seatbelt signs indicating our descent. Please make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened. If you've used any of your carry-on items during our flight, please put them back beneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead compartment. In a few moments, we'll be collecting all beverage items for landing.
Okay, so we are going down, so that means we're going to be landing soon. And hi, Skylar, say hi.
Hold on, I'm playing a game.
We land in Honolulu, and then we go from Honolulu and take another plane to Kauai, and then Hawaii, the Big Island, and that's where we stay. And yeah. Okay, guys, so we just landed, and he's slamming on the brakes right now. Skylar was like, and that's where he hits the brakes, and then like, yeah. So we like legit just landed right now, and we're like already like fully stopped technically. Layla, how'd you like the landing?
It was not bad at all.
I love landings. Like they're like awesome. This one was like the best.
Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to the down.
Hey guys, so we just landed in Honolulu, and now we're going to. Hi. I swear. Okay, go. What are we landing to? Kona. Okay. So we have to do one more flight, and it's 50 minutes. We'll be 30 minutes in the air, and then 20 minutes going down. So we'll be good. Okay, guys. So we just got on the second plane, and this one's not as good as the other one. Like, has no charging plugs, no TV, and this is tiny. It's not so good. And there's my aunt. Okay, guys.
Where's all this? Is this lava or something?
Yes, the whole island is lava.
What?
There's the lava packs.
I know.
I'm not giving you guys any discounts if I can't go hang out.
Okay, guys, so we got a Jeep, and we've been off the plane for a while, and then we took a shuttle to the car rental place, and then we got a silver Jeep, which is amazing. I'll show you guys, like, the outside. And so my cousin also got a silver Jeep, and then my grandparents, they got the Nissan, whatever it's called. I don't know, it's blue. I'll show you what it is. And yeah, so Hawaii's gonna be